funny. I don't know how you can't, like, how you resist.
I'm straight edge, broski.
Is it recording?
This is the biggest line ever.
Keep sucking on it.
It's really hard.
Thank you for my balloonie.
You're welcome. This smells. This thing.
Getting wild.
I'm fucking high. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not.
Look at you fucking having this straddle with your foot.
What if I did get really fucking high from this?
Don't die.
We should do this like every week. It's so funny.
You're gonna finish off that whole balloon?
There's so much in it.
Why don't we tape it off and you can have some
No.
later? Now.
I'm running out of things to say. I want to start singing songs.
You could say you love me.
No.
Here, big shirt.
Fine, I love you.
Probably have to put this on YouTube, huh?
Maybe. Oh my god, it's still so like.
That was a good birthday balloon.
Oh no, I got you the best birthday present ever.
Can you just do it once, please?
No. I know, I'm no fun. I'm sorry. I love you.
You're so fucking boring. Always. Always.
I sound like a chipmunk.
You do.
I'm just gonna start singing like Lady Gaga or something.
We're going on 3 minutes.
Oh my god, there's so much left in this balloon.
Look at how big this thing is.
I know. Are you getting dizzy?
No.
Probably gonna have no brain cells left.
I didn't have any fucking brain cells anyway. It doesn't even matter.
Maybe we should give you this more often,
I'm
so
busy now.
yeah, why don't you stop?
Almost done.
Just stop. You want me to stop filming?
No. It's just funny to listen to me laugh.
I know. Maybe we should give you this more often, like once a week, so you're not miserable.
See you later. I don't care. I wonder if I can pass out from this. Because I'm kind of dizzy right now.
What?
That's so much. You probably should stop.
Almost done.
People are going to be like, you're not fucking straight edge after this.
What am I gonna do with you?
What?
What am I gonna do with you?
I don't know, but there's a fucking lot of helium left in this. What do you think? Yeah.
We'll save it. You've been inhaling for like 5 minutes.
That's gonna be gone soon. I got like 2 more.
You're not gonna feel good after this.
Huh?
You're not gonna feel good after this.
What's that sound?
You're like bagpiping it.
I know. Some kid I went to high school was fucking played bagpipes. That's crazy.
We had one that played in the hallway too, of school. Kenny Farragon.
Huh?
His name is Kenny Farragon.
The kid that played bagpipes at my school fucking burned himself.
Yeah, you showed me.
retarded.
You told me him.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
You still sound like it.
Not really.